Vehicle? Check out 2006 Wrangler. Few vehicles are better off-road than a Jeep Wrangler. This is the one that started it all. Traceable to the original Jeep, the Wrangler is the very symbol of off-road capability. This vehicle has less than 95,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: four-wheel drive, convertible soft top, tires, rear all-terrain, front disc rear drum brakes, steel wheels, tires, front all-terrain, variable speed, intermittent wipers, power outlet, tachometer, power steering. This beauty will make even your house keys jealous. Drive it today.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.